This is a 4-pack of daisy hoop earrings. They are small, kind of ear-hugging earrings, and there's 4 pairs in here. So I received these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they'd cost you about $9. So we have 2 that are gold, which come with black and white faces, and then 2 that are silver, which also come with black and white faces. And these are copper metal, which are coated with gold and silver. All right, these are incredibly small earrings. You can see my giant fat-fisted fingers there in comparison to the size of the earrings. They're daisy, and they have like an enameled flower on them. The back is metal, and it does have a couple little dots, not that anybody will be able to see those dots. So the clasp here is essentially just a little hook, and so if you push and pull, you can unhook that little latch and it comes off. If you push this up and snap it, it latches in, and it's not going to come off easily. It is latched in there. I'm pushing on it here. It's not popping out. You kind of have to push the ring in, and then this guy can pop off the back. So it's not hard at all to do with 2 fingers here, or 2 hands with my fingers here, but it does seem to be a pretty secure setup. And so that's the 2 black ones that are black enamel with gold. So all of the others out of this set of 4 pairs are basically the same. They just have different color choices. So this is silver metal with black enamel. So all these clasps work in the same way. You kind of push the ring in and that lifts off. And so this guy comes out and then snaps back in place. And so these here are the silver metal with white enamel. And your final color choice is gold with white enamel.